Hello, I'm Chef Christine Farkas here today with the Almond Board of California to share why almonds are great staple ingredients for your plant-based menu development. Almonds are nutrient dense and offer a range of exciting culinary opportunities in food service and beyond. From breakfast and on-the-go snacking to sides, classic preparations, and creative entrees, there's endless opportunity to flex your creative muscles while connecting with the range of food trends today and well into the future. For example, vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, keto, paleo, Mediterranean, and flexitarian, just to name a few. Almonds continue to be value-added ingredients that resonates with ever-evolving consumer preferences and needs, giving dishes a healthy halo without sacrificing on taste. Per ounce, almonds provide 13 grams of good unsaturated fat, only 1 gram of saturated fat, 4 grams of fiber, and 6 grams of protein, leaving consumers with that fuller, longer, satisfied feeling they crave. Plus, as plant-based eating continues to increase in popularity, almonds can offer the missing link to build complete proteins for plant-based meals. Almonds are lacking in amino acid lysine, so pairing them with lysine-rich foods like pulses and legumes will create a complete protein. With 14 varieties available, incorporating almonds into your creations can be easy and fun, adding textures and multi-sensorial experiences for customers. This can be done through a range of available almond ingredients, including a few we have here. Almond milk, which comes in a range of options including sweetened, unsweetened, fortified, and unfortified, can be used in beverages, soups, cereals, sauces, and spreads. Almond butters, which are available in raw and roasted, can be used as a substitute for fats and baked goods like this, added to smoothies and salad dressings, as well as pastry fillings. Whole and dry roasted almonds can be enjoyed roasted with seasonings to top salads and desserts, as well as complement center-of-the-plate proteins. Sliced, slivered, chopped, and crumbled almonds can be sprinkled on omelets, vegetable sides, baked into stuffings, and mixed into couscous or risotto dishes for a little added crunch and boost in nutrition. Ground almonds are now commercially available in fine and extra fine format, blanched and unblanched. There's a few different options there. Both can be used as a great thickeners for sauces, for coatings, for gluten-free onion rings and zucchini chips. Almond oil is neutral in flavor and can be applied to stovetop applications. It's also a great option for mixing into chocolate or savory salad dressings. Almond protein powder is neutral in flavor as well. It's also a simple way to incorporate higher levels of protein in your smoothies, your energy bites, and baking. As a chef and product developer who's focused on the sensory nutrition side, I find working with almonds inspiring, often including more than one format into a recipe to increase the protein content as well as healthy fats, also to add different levels of sensory. For example, I recently created 2 almond recipes, one being a zesty almond gazpacho, which included garden vegetables and was thickened with almond flour and enriched with almond oil. The second recipe was a vegetable almond salad bowl, where I combined chopped almonds with seasonal vegetables. The dressing was a kimchi almond sauce, which included almond butter and milk. Both recipes were lower carb and protein-filled options, while delivering on flavor. There are so many ways to enhance menu offerings using almonds and almond ingredients. Chefs can count on almonds to deliver tasty, healthy, and satiating menu options. The sky truly is the limit. Check out www.almonds.com for more inspiration. Thank you for watching.